first of all, guys, let's update the grid now. Highest one is a 2000. 2000 is down there, guys, as you can see. Let's go 2000. Thanks, good luck to everyone. All right, there's a 2x global, guys. Whoa! 4,000, next highest one. Let's go. Literally the same spot? Oh, yes. Oh, it's the same spot. 2x level once again, guys. Doubling one again. It's 8,000x. 8,000, guys. Let's go. I also have never... Maybe one more time. Oh, it's not 2x global. I have not seen what is there. 1,600. Woohoo! That's good one. 1,600x multiplying the fireball. That was awesome, guys. That was amazing. Enjoy your wins. 1,300 players. 1,600. Twice to get 2x double, the same one. Twice. That was crazy.